what is a simple, healthy sweet tooth fix for especially those carb nights? So hey everyone, this is Travis Merritt with the Rowlett Transformation Center. We have another fitness mastery tip for you. I'm actually in the kitchen again, and I'm going to show you how to do that right there. That is simmered or sauteed apples. In my opinion, one of the easiest desserts or sweet tooth fixes you can make. That, in my opinion, that I would still classify as pretty dang healthy, just because all it is an apple. That's really about the extent of it. So let me show you how we're going to make this one. Alright, so not too bad, guys. If you take a look, this is actually simmered apple with, I'm not going to lie, it's going to be backwards on you, pumpkin spice. Yeah, come on, it is pumpkin spice time. So let me show you how we make this. So this is one of my favorite go-to desserts right through here. So I'm going to actually take and get that camera down. And all you're going to need is an apple. That's it. Knife cutting board. Make sure you do wash this. And what you're going to do is you're going to want to cut this into very thin slices. I'm going to do the old school traditional way using a knife. I know some people have other fancy pieces of equipment they want to use on this one, but I'm going to keep this basic. And I'm sure there's going to be some of you guys out there that are great with knives, that are kind of taking a look at this and going, oh my gosh, you see what this guy's doing? Guys, this is just made to be a quick fix, made to be simple, made to be something that everyone can do. You don't need culinary expertise in here, especially when it comes down to eating healthy. You don't need to be a pro at a lot of this stuff. You just need something simple. I'm sorry, guys, you can't even see that. There we go. All right. So if you notice, all I'm doing is I'm just taking, I've washed the apple. I personally prefer green apples on this one, but, you know, personal preference. All we have available right now are the red ones. So we're going to take and cut this up in very fine slices. You're going to see why in a second. Okay, move this out of the way. All right, here we go. Now we've got a whole mess of apples right through here. From here, turn this over. I'm going to dump everything in through here. Of course, drop one or two, make a little bit of a mess. And I'm going to turn the heat on to about a medium to high heat. Again, angle it this way. There we go. All right. Next, I'm going to actually fill this up. About an inch of water. And from here, you cover it and let it simmer. Seriously, that's it. That's really all you got to do. But I'm going to show you one little additional trick that may help you. So I honestly prefer cinnamon, but we're actually using pumpkin spice today because, hey, you know what? We're basic in this household. Let's just be honest with it. It is pumpkin spice season. So on this one, we'll do a little bit of pumpkin spice. I've actually tried sweetening it up with some other stuff before, but I actually honestly will find that the cinnamon and pumpkin spice really turns out the best, gives it a better flavor, and you're going to let this simmer for no more than about 12 minutes. It really doesn't take long, because when you're done, this is what you come up with right through here. It almost looks like apple pie filling. That's it, guys. It is merely just apples. What you're seeing, the browning on here, is pumpkin spice. Ran out of cinnamon. I prefer that as well. And let it simmer all the way until the water goes down, and this is it. This right here with an apple that has just been maybe cooked for 12 minutes, no funky ingredients added, nothing like that. All of a sudden you're looking at something like this, 80 calories. Now, if you really want to be awesome, you really want to take this to the next level, take this, and there could be a little bit of juice in there from the pan from it being simmered, and pour that over some Halo Top ice cream. Not a bad idea. Guys, I'm telling you, apples are a great fix right through here. Take this. Do this with any kind of fruit you want. Pears also work amazingly well as this one. Give this a shot. It's a simple fix. It's one of those that when you have a sweet tooth, do this. Take your time. It actually will stay hot for a little bit. Take your time. Just enjoy it. And I promise you guys, eating healthy and especially having those sweet tooth fixes, there are plenty of ways to work around it. Find a good way to do it with fruit. This right down through here, going to that, gives you that. And I tell you what, you will feel a lot better about yourself eating the fruit versus binging on Ben & Jerry's. But in the meantime, guys, I hope everyone takes care and you have amazing work, gets even better meals. If you got any comments or questions, hey, put them in the comment section below. But in the meantime, take care, and I'm sure I'll be chatting with all of you tomorrow. But if I don't, at the time of this video, you all have a very happy Thanksgiving.